Alright guys, this video, this is Bearded Yakking. Feeling a lot better today. And this video here is for Tony the Technician's giveaway. And well, I just did a Toolbox Tour the other day on my new Husky 36-inch. So figure I'd do another one just for Tony's giveaway. Let's get started. So on the outside here, now I thought that was cool. Put that sticker on there, no solicitors. I thought this one was funny too. Protected by security system. I got more stickers on order. Then here I got H&H Country Magnet. Check him out. Top Wolf Automotive. Check that guy out too. Some cool guys right there. My voice is still a little banged up, so we're gonna get started here. Top here, got nice storage here. Got my magnetic trays here. Can't really see them. Just like that. Magnetic trays with oil filter tools in them. My little magnetic light right there. My shot glass sitting there. Headphones, a little bit of sockets. My power tools, and we go to the next. This here is my ratchet drawer. I got the Steelman here. Complimentaries of Cat Loco. Cat Loco's Garage. Check his channel out too. I got ratchets, little shit here. Tractor supply ratchets. I'll go more in depth later on. Just trying to make this a quick one, like my other Toolbox Tour the other day. This here is just mainly electrical shit. Some scissors, snap ring pliers, zip ties. You can never have too many. Got a Husky pick set here. Got some precision screwdrivers. Cheap ass Harbor Freight multimeter. Electrical tape. Spark tester. You know. This drawer here is more bullshit, like I said. Zip ties, you never have too many in your box. Bag of junk. Well, shit. I gotta go through some bits, drill bits, some brushes, sanding pads for my sander. Inside this box, I have a Bluetooth OBD scan tool. Got more drill bits here. Ryobi kit there. This drawer here, I got the Crescent 3-in-1 pass-through adjustable and pipe wrench set. Got my hex keys, both metric and standard. This bullshit here. Got the Pittsburgh pass-through socket set. This set here I recommend. It's a great set here. Love it. This drawer here, basically measuring devices. Got a scale. It's a 460 millimeter scale or 18-inch scale. You know what I mean? She's got some easy outs. Speed square. Digital caliper in here. Micrometer there. Got a mini scale here. Got feeler gauges. Another micrometer from my grandpa. That thing's old Starrett. This here is a drain tool. This here I got 2 batteries. I still got room to fill this up with more power tool bullshit. You know what I mean? First drawer is my screwdriver drawer. Tractor Supply special, $4 special right here. I got these Performance Tool screwdrivers, complimentaries of H&H Country. As long and also with this, complimentary of H&H Country. Stanley screwdrivers, made in America. Some more Stanley screwdrivers, also made in America, lifetime warranty. Some dollar store screwdrivers for shits and giggles. This Husky screwdriver here. Well, it's supposed to be an offset, but this thing's good to carry. Here's my wrench drawer. Now, I would have another set of wrenches sit right here, but guaranteed shipping due today. Well, Amazon didn't deliver. So that's my wrench drawer anyway. Yeah. It'll get reorganized about 100 times. Pliers. Fucking panel, fucking tool there. Shears. PVC cutter. Pliers. Some Harbor Freight pliers. Vice grip, Irwin vice grips. You know, everybody knows that shit. Next drawer, I got clamps, pry bars, and 2 saws. That's all that's in there. This here, I got plenty of room in here. This shit can get pulled out if I need to put other shit in here. I got rubber mallets, my regular hammers, a little bullshit hammer there. That's actually a weird pry bar for pulling up like underlayment and linoleum and shit. I got my 25-inch half-inch drive Pittsburgh or / Harbor Freight breaker bar. Last drawer. It's all my power tools and my circular saw. Palm sander, grinder, bag of shit, another circular saw, expensive ass chisels in here, another sander, got a polisher / big ass grinder, I got a fucking planer. That drawer's done. Now we go over to this little guy. This is my old box, by the way. I'm sure everybody remembers my first Toolbox Tour. Up here, I got junk just thrown up here right now. This top drawer is basically fucking screws, drywall screws, you know, fucking nuts, bolts, fucking rivet guns, fucking set of keys for this little box. Drawer here is just bullshit that I didn't even fucking take out yet. You know, shit. This drawer, nothing really special in here. Got gloves, rivets, more nuts and bolts. This one here is my stapler. Air filter for my lawnmower, some chisels. Sorry about the lighting. Some other stuff. Got all my shit over here. And inside my cabinet here. I got battery charger. I got a pulley puller or flywheel puller set right here. I got a full tire repair kit. I got fucking jumper cables. Ooh, there's my other clamps I was looking for. I don't know what the hell that is. Jumper cables, a tarp, And that's it for that. And this drawer here, mainly my air tools and shit, so nothing special, some old Craftsman and shit. This one here, that bottom drawer there, got some more power tools and stuff, so yeah, that's it. So that's my toolbox tour for Tony the Technician's giveaway. So Tony, I hope I win, man. I finally win a giveaway. Be my first giveaway I win. There's a new box, brother. Just for your giveaway. It's the Husky 36-inch. I wanted the bigger one, but this one here was still in the box. The other one, they didn't have no more, except for the display. But you know how the displays are, they get beat up. But this is the Tony the Technician giveaway Toolbox Tour. This is Beer Yakking. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.